Hi all, I am Gunjan Gupta, your instructor. So today we will cover Java delete files. So let's get started. How we use to delete a file? We use delete method. Public class delete file. Public static void main. Okay, we have created main method. Inside that we have created one file object where we have inserted the file name which we want to delete, and if the object dot delete, okay, is true, then system that delete the file object dot get name. So we have already deleted the file. As this is true, then we are getting its name. As failed to delete the file. Okay, so we'll run. We will have the output deleted the file and file name we have. Okay, now we have deleting a folder. How we have to delete a folder? Same file path we have given. Okay, because that is a folder, not a file name. Okay, and object dot delete deleted the folder, and we are getting the name of the folder as failed to delete the folder. So folder name will be there. To delete the folder, this and the test is rated. Here we have given the test folder. Test is rated. So this is the way how we delete the file and folder. If you have any query, please comment. Please subscribe my channel. Do like my video. Do subscribe. Okay, bye bye. Thank you.